This is 7A, myself Ronak Kumar from class 7A. Today we are going to do explanation on the story of 3 questions. So let's start. First of all, I would like to express my special thanks to our subject teacher Mukesh Sai sir as well as principal Mr. Madan Mohan Misra sir, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this explanation on the story of 3 questions. So let's start. First of all, I would to call my groups Kuldeeps.
Namaskar. Firstly, I would like to thank Bhaiya Ronak to call my group. We are standing here to explain the story 3 questions, which is written by Leo Tolstoy. Firstly, I want to introduce my teammate, myself Kuldeep Kumar, he is Piyush Roy and he is Asif Chaudhary from standard 7. So let's start. Once upon a time, there was a king and he thought that if he would know the answer of 3 questions, he would never fail in his life. So, this purpose, king sent messages to his kingdom and promised a large sum of money gave who gave the answer of 3 questions. Next day, many wise men came in the palace of king and gave the answer, but the answer is very different. In the reply of first question, some said that king make a timetable and then follow it strictly. Yet others said that it is impossible to decide right time in advance. Someone said that king make a group of intelligent people who help king act at the right time and work properly with respect to the time. Thank you. Then over Piyush.
But in the answer of second question, some others said that it is necessary to look into the future and only magician can do that. So the king advised to go to the magician and take advice with him. In the answer of second question, some said counselor were most necessary, some others choose priest, a few choose soldier. In the answer of third question, some choose science, others choose fighting, etc. But their answer was so different, so the king was not satisfied with him and not give any reward to anyone. Then the king want to take advice with a hermit who live in a forest. So the king go to the forest to take advice. Before he reached the hermit hut, he left his bodyguard and horse and he went alone. When he reached the hermit hut, he saw that hermit digging on the ground inside of his hut. Thank you. Then over Asif.
When the king came near the hermit's hut, the hermit greeted the king and continued digging. The king see the hermit, he was digging on the ground. Then the king said that, I have come to you, wise hermit, to know the answer of 3 questions. First, what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? The wise man did not say anything. Then the king said, you are dead, let me work, give me the spade, I will dig him on the ground. Few hours passed, the king repeated his 3 questions, but the hermit did not say anything. Then the 1 hour passed, the sun went down behind the trees. Then the king said, if you are not able to give me the answer of 3 questions, please say me, I return home. So the hermit did not say anything. He said that someone coming, he is very injured. So I have to call group B. Thank you.
Respected teacher and my dear friends, today I am standing here, myself Himanshu Shekhar Sai, and here my teammates. We are starting part 2 of 3 questions. So let's start. The king turned round and saw a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed around his stomach. From his blood was flowing. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing from a large wound in his stomach. The king washed and covered it with handkerchief. From his blood was not flowing. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing from his blood was not flowing. Then the king redresses it from a large wound in his stomach. By the time sun had set down, remove the man's clothing.
In the morning, when the king opened his eyes, he saw that the wounded man asking forgiveness. He told the king that he had come to take revenge from him because the king had killed his brother and taken away all his property. He wants to kill the king while he returning from the hermit's place. But the king bodyguard found him and wounded him. He regretted his thoughts of killing the king and promised to be his faithful servant and taken her while the king returned his all the property. Then over Virat.
Leaving the wounded man, the king went out of the hut and looked out for the hermit. Before going away, he wished once more to get answer of 3 questions. The hermit sowing seed in the bed that had been dug day before. The king went up to the hermit and said for last time, "I beg you to answer my question, wise man. You have already answered," said hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up to the king as he stood before him. "How have I been answered? What do you mean?" "Thank you." After that round.
Thank you, Bhaiya Virat, to call me to continue the story. How have I answered? What do you mean? Do you not see? Replied the hermit. If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away. Then that man would have attacked you and you would be wished you had stayed with me. So the most important time was when you are digging the beds and I was the important man. To do me good was your most important business. Afterward, when the man ran to us, your most important time was when you are caring for him. Because if you had not dressed his wound, he became dead without having made peace with you. So the most important time, and so the most important man, and I was the most important man. And what did you for him was your most important business. Then over to Premanand.
Thank you, Priya Ramana, to say me the story of 3 questions. Remember, then there is only one time that is important, and that time is now. It is most important time because it is only time to do anyone purpose. The most important person is the person we have with at a particular moment. For no one know what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else. The most important business is to do person good because we sent into the earth from any purpose. Thank you. Then over Sipujan tell moral story.
Good morning, students and dear teachers. I am Sipujan Kumar and I say about the moral story of 3 questions. Firstly, I will thank Bhaiya Premanand to call me and say about moral story. The moral of story is to live in present moment rather than grumbling about past and being anxious about tomorrow. We have to consider every person we meet in the moment as significant being, whether it is a poor or a rich man. Thank you. Have a nice day.
We tried our best to tell the story. We hope that you would like and share this video. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Thank you.